Gauteng, we are ready now in relation to our preparation for tomorrow's action on the 14th to hand over a series of memorandum to various institutions as part of its campaign to fight the neoliberal agenda in our country. The current triple crisis of unemployment, poverty and inequalities, in our view, will never decrease as long as the neoliberal agenda finds space both in the movement and also in government and the state. Our two drive slow campaign, both in Johannesburg and also Ekurhuleni, were quite very happy that they went unhindered and they were quite very successful. We are also happy with the support that we have received from the members of the public and also from our members. But we also wish to indicate that this is not an end of the drive slow, what you call campaign in this particular province. We know some of the people are saying these things are not effective. As far as we are concerned, they are quite effective in relation to raising the message and the awareness to the public. And it also irritates a number of politicians, and we are quite very happy with the irritation that we are causing with this particular drive slows. Tomorrow we'll be gathering at 8:30. The march will be leaving here from Kossatu House. So all of our members will be participating, will be gathering here from 8:30 in the morning, and we're anticipating that we'll leave at about 10:30. And as we leave from 10:30, we'll hand over the first memorandum to the Department of Labour, which will be found here in Dikote Street. That will be the first memorandum that will be delivered. Secondly, we will then proceed at about 11:30 to the Gauteng Department of Transport, and we'll hand over the second memorandum at about 12:30 to the MEC, Mr. Ishmael Vadi, at about 12:30. The march will then move from the Department of Transport to the Gauteng Legislature, where these laws and this are originating and are being drafted. We anticipate that probably will be there at about 1 o'clock. We'll then proceed to the Premier's office, to the citizen number 1 in what you call in Gauteng. We so hope that probably will also not be insulted and be told that we are bringing in dirty votes to that particular office. The march will then proceed from the Premier's office to the Chamber of Mines at about 2 o'clock. We'll also be delivering another memorandum there. We'll also then proceed to the Johannesburg Central Police Station. Probably we are anticipating that probably will be there either between 2 o'clock and 2:30 to deliver the last memorandum. The first memorandum, in actual fact, it will be a request to the Auditor General for him to be able to conduct a proper investigation in relation to these issues of e-tolling. Secondly, we will also be opening up a corruption case. We have requested the Hawks to come and receive that particular memorandum on our behalf. That will be also urging them to be able to further do some criminal investigation in relation to this particular cycle of the e-tolls. And we are saying so because we know for the fact that prices were inflated, both in relation to the construction of the stadium, but also in the construction of the Gauteng freeways. In actual fact, a number of construction companies have confessed to the Competition Commission that yes, indeed, they have committed those particular crimes. So our request will then to request that we allow them to do a proper investigation, and those that have confirmed of having colluded, in English or in business is called collusion, but in reality, if you look at what it is corruption, and therefore we want that the Hawks must prosecute all those that are involved in that regard. We will then be dispersing at the Central Police Station. Members will be going to their various destination in terms of the work homes. We anticipate that probably the process will finish at about 3:30 in the afternoon. We want to also indicate the fact that in particular in these two drive slows that we have been involved in, members of the public have requested us that we must arrange a drive slow on a Saturday. so that they can be able to come in full force in the support of this particular action. So those particular details will be communicated to yourselves and to the public in due course. But that is a matter that we have resolved, that we think that it is important for us to be able to initiate as requested by a number of people at the public level.